Hello YouTube, this is Runningpokemans. Today I will have 4 Primal Clash booster packs to open up for you guys. For some reason it just has a whole bunch of glue on it on the packs, and they're just really sticky, so it's kind of hard to expand them out. So let's go ahead and get into this. They all have Mega Groudon on there. So let's go ahead and see if we can get something good out of these packs. Alright, so first pack we got Bibarel, Bidoof, Ancient Trait, Grovyle, Rhyhorn, Volbeat, Spheal, Staryu, Clamperl, Reverse Nosepass, and a Ludicolo regular rare. Alright, so next pack. Alright, so in this pack, we have Lantern, Shrine of Memories, Vibrava, Spinda, Mudkip, Phoebus, Illumise, Hippopotas, Reverse Linoon, and a Kingdra regular rare. Alright, halfway through this pack, halfway through the packs. Alright, let's go 3 to the front. Alright, guys, Silent Lab, Groudon Spirit Link, Nidorina, Zigzagoon, Shroomish, Spheal, Mudkip, Phoebus, Reverse Fresh Water set, and another Kingdra regular rare. That's the second one in a row. So last pack, hope for an ultra rare. So let's go ahead and open this pack and see what we got. Okay, so we got Combuskin, Fresh Water set, Nidoqueen, Slugma, Torchic, Marill, Surskit, Corphish, Reverse Shield Energy, and the last card of this video is an Excadrill regular rare. So we did not get anything good, super good out of this video. But thanks for watching, guys. Anyways, make sure to like this video if you do want to see some more Primal Clash, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to me, and I'll see you guys soon with some more Primal Clash.